Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back home in Perth. This is our outdoors area, and the weather is very hot here. It's about 40 degrees today, Celsius, and so we're going to go down to a local beach where there's a little bit of surf, and I'm hopefully going to catch a wave, which has been a long time coming. So yeah, this is a little adventure vlog this time. I might throw in a tour of my art that I've done on the trip, since that might be a good idea actually. Yeah, I might do that. So, but anyway, hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe and comment, you know, all that bizzo. And yeah, let's have some fun. Well, I didn't catch any waves out there, got pummeled, and a bit of a brain enema. Always good fun on a very hot day. But I'm going to go up here where the hubby is surfing. Maybe, just maybe, I can catch a wave today. It's been a long time. Hey guys, so we're back from the beach, and I caught one wave maybe, and pretty much got cleaned up most of the day, but it was a lot of fun. It was so hot, so it was quite refreshing, and I'm so glad we went down there with the family and had a bit of fun. And yep, we're back in Perth now, so no more journey type videos around all sorts of places. It'll be mainly Perth from now on, and maybe Margaret River and a few places close to home. But anyway, yep, I'm home and it's good to be back. Really love our little place here along the beach. But now I'd like to show you some of the artworks that I created over the course of the 2.5 months that we travelled through Australia. And you would have seen many of them. You've seen a few that I did the videos for. But yeah, there's a bunch that you wouldn't have seen, so I hope you enjoy them, and let's have a look at them now.
Watch out, 'cause I know
So there you go. I hope you enjoyed all of that. I think I might have to go and have a swim because it's bloody hot. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you later. Bye.